Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, it's how to use ChatGPT for chatbot testing. Using ChatGPT for chatbot testing can help evaluate the performance and capabilities of your chatbot. Here's a guide on how to use ChatGPT for chatbot testing. First is define test scenario. Prepare a set of test scenarios that cover different aspects of your chatbot's functionality. Include a mix of positive and negative test cases covering various user inputs, frequently asked questions, and specific tasks and potential errors. Next is set up GPT backend. Configure the backend infrastructure to communicate with the ChatGPT model via API. Implement the necessary endpoint to receive user inputs and send them to the ChatGPT model. Capture and log the actual inputs and outputs during the testing process for analysis and comparison. Next is execute the test cases. Execute the defined test scenarios by sending the expected inputs to the ChatGPT backend and capturing the generated responses. Compare the generated responses with the desired outputs of each test cases. Evaluate the accuracy, relevance, and appropriateness of the chatbot's responses against the expected results. Next is assess performance metrics. Analyze the performance metrics such as response accuracy, response time, error handling, and user satisfaction ratings. Set predefined thresholds or benchmarks to evaluate the chatbot's performance against desired criteria. Last is iterate and improve. Based on the test results, identify areas for improvement in the chatbot's responses, behavior, or functionality. Analyze test logs and user feedback to uncover patterns, common issues, or potential bottlenecks. Iterate on the chatbot's implementation, refining the conversational flow, expanding training data, or fine-tuning the ChatGPT model to enhance its performance. By following these steps, you can effectively use ChatGPT for chatbot testing, identify areas for improvements, and iteratively enhance the performance and functionality of your chatbot. So that's it. That's how you define. That's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!